Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back. We'll start with the NCRT Chapter 2 of Civics Role of the Government in Health. Come on, let's start with the introduction. Children, focusing on right to health is one of the fundamental right has been given in the Constitution. However, when it comes to the reality, provision of healthcare facilities in India is not up to the level what actually should be. So, in this chapter, we would understand what is the role of the government, how public and private sectors are different. Children, democracy means welfare of the people, and this welfare can be in form of education, health, employment, housing or development of roads, electricity, infrastructure, and so on. Come on, let's start. What is health? Now, coming on to health, what is health? In simple way, we can say that absence of any kind of illness would be known as health. However, in the recent days, concept of health or the definition of health has been changed. It has moved from the concept of fitness to wellness, and this what is under the Ayush mission of India. Now these are something which are contemporary things that we are trying to introduce in this lesson because this has been focused. We are introducing few major concepts here. So under health we talk about remaining free from any kind of illness or disease. Other than this, it is a kind of state of mental well-being, mental health, providing adequate food, providing clean drinking water, pollution-free environment, no mental stress, no mental tension, and that is broadly we define under the concept of health. So, health depends on the overall development of an individual. Healthcare in India. Need for healthcare system. Why we need healthcare system? To prevent and treat illness. We are required to have facilities such as healthcare centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood bank, etc. So, in order to run such facilities, we need health workers, nurse, qualified doctors, and other health professional. So, when we comes healthcare facilities in India, as you know, children, India is one of the largest nation in the world to have highest number of medical colleges, to have mainly highest number of doctors globally than India. In nowadays, promoting medical tourism. So, what is the word medical tourism means? Children, this is very important one to understand. If I can say in simple word, tourism is the movement of people because of some activity and some reason, maybe leisure time, recreation, to meet family or friend. Children, one of the other purpose is medical purpose, that is medical tourism. There are the two reasons for medical tourism. First, a kind of expensive medical setup in some of the nation, that is example US. So some of people in US unable to afford the expenses healthcare system, they try to move to other countries for medical purpose, and therefore medical tourism become important. So medical is the first foremost thing of expensive in some of the nations. Secondly, some of the nations do not have supportive infrastructure of good health care facilities. So people coming in from less developed country like parts of Africa, you know, this come under this category. So either of the two reasons promote medical tourism, and medical tourism has been increasing in India over the period of time. So this is one of the major reasons why the healthcare sector has been boosted in India. Come on. If we talk about the pharmaceutical industries, is the third largest in volume and 14th largest in terms of value. So these are some of the positive points of healthcare system in India. However, despite things, there are some negative points because in India we have high number of communicable disease, we have large number of malnutrition, then nourish cases. TB is widely prevalent, which is considered as one of the largest killer in India. The state in rural India is not up to the mark, where you do not have adequate infrastructure and healthcare facilities. available. So, children, these are some of the basic issues faced by healthcare sectors in India. So now again there are the some of disease that are like dengue, chikungunya, malaria, all these are due to issue of cleanliness. So all these go hand in hand. So if the environment is clean, there is a less collection of water, less breeding of mosquitoes, and less disease like those. So children, all this we understood under this chapter till we conclude. In next video we come up with the remaining topic. So till then, goodbye and have a nice day.